Hello, future millionaire. Today's topic is about when you should consider selling your Bitcoin Cash. And just simple summary. Now it's way too early, but you want to know the detail, watch the whole video. I'm going to use the analogy in real estate to show you when is actually the correct time to sell not just a Bitcoin Cash, but any other assets. Here I have a real estate project, the Arbor in Burley. And what's so unique about this property is not the location. What's really unique about the property is the way how they're going to sell the property. I'll just show you quickly how the sales office look like. That behind that is the sales office. Nothing much. But more important is the way how they sell this property. I'm twisting myself. Hello. So what's so special about this property? Why is this connected to Bitcoin Cash? This property showcases to you what is the timing when you should be selling your assets. So the unique part about this property is that how they sell it. On Sunday, they're going to have a lottery system, which means the demand is so much higher than the supply that they're going to have a lottery system for people to choose the lot. And you know what? I've seen this before. This is not the first time I see developers selling property in lotteries or in a queue or within a blank check. I've seen this last time in Singapore during the height of its own property bubble. And you know what happened? That was 2007, late 2007, early 2008. That was the last big bubble in Singapore. So what I observed back then was everybody's rushing to buy random property, literally speaking random property. There are people who get paid, I mean really get paid, for standing in queue to be able to secure a chance to participate in a lottery like this. And guess what happened afterwards? Market crash. So I'm not saying that if you buy this property then the market will crash. I'm not saying that at all, because now we have a hyperinflationary pressure from everywhere in the world. So I don't even think any property will crash. Instead, what will happen is property price will go up, probably double or triple over the next 5 to 10 years. But more importantly, more valuable assets and limited assets like Bitcoin Cash and even Bitcoin will go up significantly more than properties. So it's all about who can appreciate faster than the next guy. But what I want to show you is that if you are looking for signal when to sell your asset like Bitcoin Cash, you have to look at the demand picture as well. If the demand is not there, you shouldn't be selling it. Instead, you should be the one who is buying it. But like what's going on with this property in my background, and I tell you this, whoever's buying this property will be very happy. However, they will be a lot less happy in the future once they realize for the same money they could have bought Bitcoin Cash for less than $1,000 US, and then they'll be sitting at $500,000 per coin. We're looking at 100x to 1000x potential here. It all depends on the market condition, but at least 100x is entirely possible here. So just based on this situation alone, I would say you got to be very careful with your exit strategy. Don't just think about how much you made this week or this month. You have to think about what is your strategy going forward in the next 1 year, 2 years to 10 years going forward. On Sunday, if I have the time, I will definitely go to this auction to take a look at it and just give you again the price. Just give you an idea how much those land cost. There it goes. That's the price. And that's how the plot of land look like. And it's right next to the highway. Actually, it's going to be pretty noisy, but the noise level won't be more than what you can hear right now in the background. So I do quite like the property itself. If I'm an investor in the market and I don't dare to touch any assets, this is probably a good investment. That's my sincere opinion. However, the price, of course, is fully priced. So the developer wouldn't be giving you any money left over on the table. They would be stupid if they do that. I'm not even sure if this is a listed company or not. I need to check on them. But either way, their interest is their own shareholders' interest, private or public. So you cannot expect them to give you a deal. So this is a voluntary deal. Buyers beware. Just be careful when you go buy any property sight unseen. So always take a look at it before you buy anything. All right, not investment advice, because I talk about this specific project is not investment advice. Don't sue me if you lose money. But in Bitcoin Cash, I can say anything I want and nobody will ever sue me, because Bitcoin Cash is not an investment product. Bitcoin Cash is a commodity. Okay, a commodity, you can talk every day, any day about the advantage of your commodity investment and nobody will ever come after you. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.